Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm great.
Hmm? What,
Oh, good.
and just now you got up from sleep or what? Still feeling sleepy?
Just now I got up.
Just now you got up and your mother told you you had a class. Otherwise, you had forgotten, right?
Yeah.
If your mother had not reminded you, you would have forgotten the class.
Okay.
What is it? Very cold? You are sleeping?
Yeah, I'm very sleepy.
Very sleepy. Okay. We will have a short class. At
Okay.
what time do you go to bed? At night?
At night I go to bed at random times.
Random time yesterday?
Yeah, random time. I don't know.
Yesterday you went after 9, after 10?
I don't know.
Because I told you how to read the clock. So you must know 9:30 or 10 or something like
I
that.
was sleeping in a room with no clock.
So put one clock there. In your room, put one clock.
Okay.
And also one alarm clock, which will wake you up at 10 o'clock at least for 11 o'clock.
Okay.
And did you have anything for breakfast or did you eat anything?
I ate something already and I also I think I remember I woke up at 6 a.m.
Hmm. And then? And then again you
I
went back to
think
sleep. Now,
I
what did
think
you eat? I'm asking. Did you eat anything this morning?
I ate. Did you say this month? Of course, I ate something this month.
Not month, this morning.
Okay, so first I ate some egg.
Egg.
Now I'm here.
Eggs. Okay.
Yeah, egg.
How many eggs? One, two.
One.
One egg. Okay. So not some egg. One egg and then only egg. No milk.
No milk yet.
No biscuit. No cookies.
No milk yet.
Okay. So numerals. Numerals are used to write numbers. Like 2, we write as 2. So this 2 is
Yeah.
numeral. The 2 which is in red color is numeral. Right?
Yeah,
Numerals are
right.
used to write numbers. So when you want to write number 2, like 2 boys, 2 girls, 2 biscuits, 2 eggs, you write this 2. So this is how you represent the number, this numeral. Now, these are the types of numerals. The first kind of numerals, we call them cardinal, right? We call them
Yeah.
cardinal. We represent by 1, 2, 3, 4. These
Okay.
are cardinal. Only the numeral, nothing else. Got it?
Got it.
So 10 would be a cardinal. 50 would be a cardinal. 100 would be a cardinal. These are cardinal numerals. Then ordinal numerals means order. Order, how do you write? First, second, third, fourth. Order. When it comes first, second, third, fourth, fifth, this is order. We call it ordinal. So 1 would be cardinal, first would be ordinal. 2 is cardinal, second is ordinal. 3 is cardinal, third is ordinal. Got it? Okay, got it?
Got it.
Say reply. So
I
1, 2, 3,
already
4.
got it.
Then but say that. So 1, I know that you got it. You are very intelligent, I know that, but say that. Because I also should know that the audio is working properly. Not only that you got it, but also that ordinal is
Okay, got
working
it.
properly. When you reply, I know that the audio is coming. The internet is working. Because sometimes there
Okay,
could
I
be a
got
problem.
it.
Anytime there could be a problem in net connection. So when you go on talking, I know the network is working. So cardinal numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ordinal numbers, you say position, order or position first. That means in position 1. Second, that means in position 2. Third, position 3. Fourth, position 4. So that is ordinal. Now multiplicative means how many times, right? Like double. Double means 2 times, right? What is the meaning of double?
Double
Double means 2
means
times.
2 times.
2 times. Similarly, triple means, what is the meaning of triple? Triple,
Triple
3 times.
3 times.
These are how many times? Multiplicative. Multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3. Supposing I say 5, the double would be 10. 5 into 2, 10. Right? If I say 10, the double would be 20. Multiplying by 2, double. And triple means multiplying by 3. So 5, double would be 10. 10, double would be 20. 100, double would be 200. Double. That is multiplicative. Double means into 2, triple means into 3. Then we have got quadruple and other things. For the time being, we deal with only double and
Quadruple.
then frequency. Frequency comes how many times? Once. Once means 1 time. Twice. Twice means 2 times. Twice. 2 times. You do something, you write something 2 times. That's called twice. Thrice means 3 times. So that is frequency. How many times? This is how many times. How many times something is repeated. Once, twice, thrice. These are frequency. How many times? How many times you say eat? We eat thrice in one day. That means 3 times in one day. Right?
Right.
So, cardinal simple numerals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 20, 100, 500. Ordinal will show you the position. First, position 1. Second, position 2. Third, position 3. So these are positions. These are positions. Positions are order.
Yeah.
Then we have got multiplicative, double. How many times? Into 2, into 3. The size becomes bigger. 5 becomes 10. 10 becomes 20. 100 becomes 200. Double into 2. And frequency means how many times you are writing. Supposing this one, say WW I have written twice. That means 2 times. This WW I have written twice. That means 2 times. WWW I have written 3 times. That means thrice. Thrice I have written. How many times you are repeating? And lastly, the collective numerals. In collective numerals, what? A group. Like pair means 2. Isn't it? Pair means 2.
Yeah.
Dozen means dozen means one dozen. How much? 1 dozen means
1 dozen means 12.
12. So say that. Why are you keeping quiet? You know the word score?
Okay,
Score
I got
means-
it.
Score means?
4 means.
Yeah, say.
Wait.
Huh? Score means?
4 dozens is 4 times 12.
No. Score is 20. Score is 20. When you have 20 mangoes, you say 1 score mangoes. Like 12 mangoes, you say 1 dozen mangoes. 20 mangoes, 1 score mangoes. So we will have this. This much is clear?
Okay.
So cardinal numerals, simple numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 20, 100, 500, 1000. Ordinal numbers, positions, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, positions. Multiplicative, how many? The size increases. Double means 2 times. Double. 5 double is 10. 10 double is 20. Triple, 3 times. Frequency numerals, how many times? Like I told you, see, how many times I am writing A? I have written once. Right? This I have written once. Now I have written twice, 2 times. Now I have written thrice, 3 times. That is repetition. How many times repeated? And collective numerals, 1 pair is 2, 1 dozen is 12, 1 score is 20. Right?
Right.
Now, so this we will write again. 1 pair is 2,
2,
1 dozen equal to 12,
12,
and 1 score equal to 1 score equal to
120.
only 20, not 120. 1 score is 20, only 20. 1 score, only 20, not 120. 1 score is 20. Okay?
Okay.
2 means 1 dozen, 2 means 1 pair, 12 means 1 dozen, 20, only 20. 20 mangoes,
Yeah,
20
20.
eggs. 20 means 1 score. So, how much would be 1 score plus 2 pairs? How much would that be? 1 score plus 2 pairs. How much that would be? How many that would be?
Alright, that would be 22.
22. Very good. 20, not 22. Not 22. 2 pairs means 2 pairs means how many? 1 pair 2. So 2 pairs.
2 pairs.
1 pair 2. So 2 pairs.
That is 22.
No, not 22. 2 pairs. How many? 1 pair is 2. So 2
2
pairs will be
pairs. 24 then.
24. 2 pairs will be 24. 20 plus 4. That is 24. 2 pairs. 2 pairs means 4. 1 score plus 1 dozen. How much that would be? How many that would be rather? How many? 1 score plus 1 dozen. 1 score plus 1 dozen. 1 score, how many? And 1 dozen, how many? So 1 score plus 1
Okay.
dozen, how many? First say the number.
32. 32.
But say it as 20 plus 12 equal to 32. Say the full thing. 20 plus 12 equal to 32. That's all. 2 scores plus 1 pair. Say which number plus 2 scores? How many? 2 scores. On the top I have written. If you don't know the meaning, if you forget the meaning, I have written here. 1 pair, how many? This I have written.
Okay. 2 scores plus 1 pair is equal to
First 2
42.
scores.
42. 42.
42.
42.
But always say 40 plus 2. Say the full thing. 2 scores 40 plus 1 pair 2. 40 plus 2 equal to 42. Say the full thing. Because I will write one number plus another number. 2 scores 40 plus 1 pair 2. So always say 40 plus 2. Okay. 1 score plus 1 pair. 1 score plus 1 pair. 1 score plus 1 pair.
1 score and 1 pair. 22.
But say it as 20 plus 2. 1 score 20 plus 1 pair 2. Always say like this. That is 22. Okay. 1 dozen plus 4 pairs. Say what number plus what number? 1 dozen we will write plus 4 pairs. So what number plus what number? 1 dozen plus 4 pairs. What number plus what number? Yeah, say 1 dozen. First say 1 dozen, that is easy. 1 dozen.
Okay.
Say for 1 dozen, you will add afterwards. First say
One-
1 dozen. 1
1
dozen, 12.
dozen.
Say
1 dozen.
1 dozen is how many?
How many? Well, that is 12.
12. First say that. Plus. Now say 4 pairs. How many?
12 plus 4.
Not 4. 4 pairs, not 4. 4
12
pairs.
plus 12 plus
Hmm.
8.
8. Yeah, right. 4 pairs, 8. Then how much that would be? 12 plus 8? 12 plus 8.
12.
12 plus 8 is? Add. If you have got the scale and number line, add. 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8. Use the number line or scale or something. How much is 12 plus 8? 12 plus 8. How many?
Okay, 12 plus 8 is equal to
12 plus 8 equal to?
20.
20. Yeah, say that. 20. Now, 1 dozen minus 1 pair. We are subtracting. So 1 dozen minus 1 pair. So 1 dozen will be how
That
much?
is
First,
10.
first you write 1 dozen. 1 dozen, what I'll write?
12 minus 2 is equal to
Yeah,
10.
12 minus 2 equal to 10. Very good. 1 score minus 1 dozen. 1 score minus 1 dozen. 1 score you can see on the top. 1 score in the red color I've written. A red font on the top I've written. 1 score is how much?
20,
20
minus 12 is equal to 8.
8. Very good. 20 equal to 8. So, now if I ask you 1 dozen equal to which number multiplied by 1 pair?
Well, that will be
1 pair multiplied by which number will give you 1 dozen?
12 times
No,
2.
12 times 2. No, 12 times 2. 1 pair is 2. So, 2 you will multiply by which number? 1 pair means 2. So, 2 you will multiply by which number to get 1 dozen? 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3. 2 multiplied by which number? 2 should be multiplied by?
2 should be multiplied by 12.
No. 2 should not be multiplied by 12. 2 should be multiplied by another number to get 12. Something multiplied by 2 gives you 12. 1 dozen is 12 equal to some number multiplied by 2. 1 dozen is 12 equal to some number multiplied by 2. So, what I should write here? I should write here 2, 3, 4. What I should write? So that
12.
if you write 12, 12 into 2 will be 12. If I write here 12, 12 into 2 will be 12. What number I should write here to get 12?
Well, that will be
Go on saying 1 into 2, 2 into 2. Which one gives you? 6. Yeah, 6. 6 into 12. 6 into 2, sorry. 6 into 2 gives you 12. So we say 1 dozen equal to 6 pairs. So if you can, this is 1 dozen equal to 6 pairs. 6 into 1 pair, that can be written as 6 pairs. 6 into 1 pair, that means 6 pairs. Right? That is a... Now, 1 score equal to how many pairs? How many into 1 pair? 1 score. What number I should write? 1 pair multiplied by what number gives you 1 score? By what number I should multiply? one pair multiplied by something gives you one score. What number?
Okay.
Yeah, say.
One score
Hmm?
equals
One score equals to, on the top you have got it. It is written
10.
there. 10, yeah. If you multiply by 10, 10 into one pair is one score. So you can also write as one score equal to 10 into one pair or 10 pairs. 10 times one pair, right? 10 times one pair, that is 10 pairs. 10 pairs, one score. So one score plus one dozen plus one pair. How much that would be? One score plus one dozen plus one pair.
Okay.
How many?
2
How
plus
much?
12 plus 20.
Yeah, 20 plus 12 plus
34.
34. Very good. That will give you 34. Yeah. So one score minus 5 pairs. 5 pairs. One score minus 5 pairs. So
One
one
score
score would
minus
be, what I will write for one score?
one score.
Yeah,
That
one.
will
Hmm. And
be
yeah, say one score. What I will write? What number I will write here? In place of one score, I have to write something. Will I write 2 or 12 or what number I will write for one score?
0.
Say one score.
0.
No, one score. How much I will write? One score.
One score
Yeah, say
20
20 minus
minus
5 pairs. What I will write?
is
5
equal
pairs.
to
Now 5 pairs. What number I will write? Then only I will subtract. One score 20 minus 5 pairs. 5 pairs. What I will write? One pair is 2, so 5 pairs. What number I will write for 5 pairs? One score I have written 20. So what number I will write for 5 pairs? You can hear or you can't hear? What number I will write
okay. I
for?
can hear. I
Then
can
go on
hear.
talking. Don't keep quiet. Don't keep quiet. Go on talking. What number I will
Okay.
write for 5 pairs? One score I have written 20.
To
So
when
that is one score. 5 pairs what I will write. 20 minus 5
is
pairs. 5 pairs, what number you will write?
that will be 10.
10. Say that. Why it is taking so long? Equal to, now say 20 minus 10 equal to 20 minus 10.
That is 10.
10. That's all. Go on talking. Don't keep quiet. Every time go
Are
on
we
saying
done
something.
today?
Even if you are calculating, say I'm calculating, I'm trying, I'm adding, I'm subtracting. Go on talking. So, 2 scores plus 10 pairs. 2 scores plus 10 pairs. How much would be 2 scores? 2 scores. What number I will write? 2 scores. How many?
Okay.
2
Two
scores.
scores.
2 scores. You can see on the top, 1 score is how much? 2 scores. What you will write? Say again, go on talking. Even if you are calculating, go on talking. Don't keep quiet.
Okay.
2 scores.
Okay.
What you will write?
So two
1 score
scores
20.
and 10
Yeah, what you will write?
pairs.
No, 10 pairs, okay. First 2 scores, what you will write? 10 pairs we will write
That's
afterwards. 2
two
scores,
scores is equal to 40 plus
40
20
plus
because there are 10
10 pairs.
pairs.
10 pairs, what
And
I will
that
write?
will become 60.
10 pairs, 20. So that will become 60. That will become 60. Right. So if you are given 2 dozens plus 2 dozens plus 3 pairs. So what do you write? 2 dozens plus 3 pairs. 2 dozens, what do you write? What do you write for 2 dozens? What number you'll write for 2 dozens? For 2
And also,
dozens, what you'll write?
wait, before this, I just have one thing to say. So you see, go to this link after the class. I'm gonna send it in the chat box.
Okay. First, what you'll write for 2 dozens?
Okay, what will you write for 2 dozens? That will be 24.
24 plus. What do you write for 3 pairs? 3 pairs. What do you write for 3 pairs?
6.
6. So how much that would be? 24 plus 6?
24 and 6. That will be 30.
30. 30. Whatever it is. 30 mangoes, 30 oranges, 30 eggs. Whatever it is, that one, 30. So what would be, for instance, 1 score plus 1 dozen plus 4 pairs. So 1 by 1. 1 score. What I will write? 1 score. 1 score. What number you will write? 1 score. What number you will write for 1 score?
For 1 score.
Yeah. It is given at the top. You can see, and
that is 20.
20. So this part will be 20.
20
then
plus
plus
12
12.
plus
4 pairs. How much? 4 pairs. How many would be 4 pairs? 8. So if you add all, how much you are getting? First add 12 and 8. 12 and 8 will give you, and then add 20. 12 and 8. First you add, then add 20. Although you can add in any order. You can add any way you like, but you'll get the same answer. What answer you are getting?
Okay, so 20 plus 8.
28, then 20
Then
plus 8, 28, then plus 12. 20 plus 8, 28, then plus 12.
40.
40. Or you can say 12 plus 8 is 20, then 20 plus 20, 40. 12 plus 8, 20. This will give you 20, then 20 plus 20, 40. So this is the, what we are getting. What are these called? Collective numerals. They are called collective numerals because they name a group. A group of 2, a group of 12, a group of 20. Where else you do use the word pair? Have you used the word pair in anywhere else? Anywhere. Where you have used the word pair? Can you remember where you have used the word pair?
Yeah, you
Where?
have used the word
Yeah,
pair.
where you have used?
And the last time you used it was inside of the equation.
A pair of shoes, right? A pair of shoes. A pair of socks.
Yeah.
A pair of socks. A pair of glasses. That is spectacles. Or a pair of scissors. Yeah, scissors. A pair of scissors. A pair of shoes. A pair of socks. A pair of scissors. These are the places where you use pair. Pair means 2. 1 dozen apples means 12 apples. 1 dozen eggs, 12 eggs. Right?
Right.
So that is a collective numeral. Okay?
Okay.
So that's collective numeral. Got it? Collective numeral. How to?
Got it.
So next class we will have the sum. Like a man bought 1 dozen eggs and he sold 2 pairs of eggs.
I already got it.
Yeah, but then you will have to. The next class will be sum based on this one. Score equal to 20, dozen equal to 12, and pair equal to 2. But you did not even eat one pair of eggs today. You ate only one egg. If you
Yeah.
had two eggs, I would have said one pair of eggs. But you ate only one egg. Right? Okay?
Right. Okay.
So next Wednesday we will have problems on this one. Problems on scores, dozens, and pairs. Okay?
Okay.
Next class. Okay.
Okay. Bye.